Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by making fonts available to Figma, install the Google font on your system, or ensure the web font is accessible. Once done, enable Figma's font helper so the app can read local font files, and then restart the desktop app or refresh your browser. This step matters because Figma relies on the OS or helper service for local fonts. Without it, your new typefaces won't appear. Make sure to pick the exact family and weight you need before proceeding to design. Now you apply the Google font inside your file. Select a text layer, open the font dropdown, and type the font's name to quickly filter results. Then choose the precise weight and style so spacing and metrics match your design. Create a text style for reuse to keep typography consistent across frames and components. While applying, zoom in and inspect kerning and line height because web fonts can render differently. Adjust letter spacing or use a different weight. To finish, export assets and remember that text may need outlining for non-design environments or embed fonts when exporting PDFs. If you or a teammate doesn't see the font, check that the Figma font helper is running, reinstall the font locally, or switch to the Google Web Font link in prototypes. For collaboration, share the font files or rely on Google's web-hosted fonts so everyone sees the same type. One troubleshooting tip: restart Figma and clear cache if fonts still fail to load.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.